super fun video for you today. I am on my way to the biggest BMW get-together in the Northeast called MPACT. And before you say anything, I've got my face mask, I've got my Purell, I'm going to be socially distant. So I'm going to be responsible in that aspect. But I look forward to seeing a lot of cool cars and meeting a lot of interesting people, including some of you who watch this channel. So enjoy this quick montage. TLG mud flaps.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brinca. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Ahí baila. Brinca. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Brinca. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
We're stuck in crazy traffic. We are literally a mile, 0.3 away from the event, and the GPS tells me 17 minutes. I bet you there's a lot of people trying to get in, and it's a small entrance because I know this place very well. So, lesson for next time, get here early. 15 minutes later, we moved 0.2 of a mile, and we've added 15 minutes. Dude, I am a mile away, and it tells me 25 minutes. There's so much traffic everywhere, it's just nuts. Everyone's trying to get in. How is it over there?
Oh, it's fine. We got here like an hour ago, I guess.
And there was no traffic to get in?
I had none at all.
Lucky man. All right. So I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you when I get in.
Yeah, call me when you get in. I have my phone on loud, so I should be able to hear it.
Sounds good. I'll see you soon, man.
All right, buddy. I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Good news is, in 20 minutes, we moved about 100 feet, so we're making progress. And Waze actually gave up on showing me the ETA. I don't know what it is. Look, I have to go here and make that left. That's it. I kid you not, a police officer was passing by, saw me, slammed the brakes, backed up, gave me a dirty look, and then they looked at my plate and they realized it wasn't me. So I bet you they're looking for someone who was street racing. I'm telling you, these events are crazy. Okay, some good news. We're starting to move, finally. So, that seems to be the problem. There are two lines of cars, one coming from this way, another one coming from that way, entering this one spot. And then getting in there, actually, right there, if you can see, there's a lot of traffic going there as well. 0.3 of a mile left. I'm estimating another 25 minutes. That guy won this drag race. It's closed. Someone, I got a buddy who's in there. They said they're packed. They're not letting people in. That's what he told me.
I'm only on YouTube, bro.
You're gonna be on the video now.
Great. Nice talk.
Thank you. Don't even try it. Oh, what's up, dude?
Yo, what's going on?
Yeah, don't even try it. It's closed. People are getting, people are like trying to squeeze in. My buddy told me in there that they're not letting people in, that they're packed.
Okay.
I've
Hey,
been...
be careful going this way. There's people flying coming the opposite way. You're over the hill. Be careful.
All right, thank you.
All right, man.
Seriously, it might take you hours just to get through.
Hey, did you even go in?
Nope. I was stuck in this lane and that for 2 hours, and then I just said I'm out.
All right.
All right, good luck, man.
Good seeing you.
Nice. If you guys remember from my M2 review video, this is my buddy Alejandro with his M2 who joined us. Him and I just had lunch, socially distant lunch, and yeah, this is the car. Yeah, the two cars. But yeah, we are going home. His car is always ultra clean. As I'm driving back, I might as well address a couple of things that's been on my mind. I used to do these huddles, but I kind of stopped, so maybe this will replace a part of it. The first thing I wanted to talk to you about is the massive or the oversized screen that I installed. I did a DIY on it. This screen came out of a 2017 BMW X6, which is the same as the X5, but that video got a lot of love, so thank you everyone who watched and liked the video. I also got a lot of hate because people were confused about why am I chopping the back of the screen to make it fit. Why didn't I buy a screen that already fits? Well, this is a 10.25 inch screen and no screen fits directly into the dash of an F80. This is a custom retrofit that I did to give me a bigger and a higher resolution screen. And I've got to say, it is fantastic. This was one of the best interior mods, apart from the steering wheel, that I did to the car, and there are zero regrets. I absolutely love it. Waze and everything else is a lot bigger, brighter. Touchscreen allows me to mark spots on Waze when I need to. So it's just, it's an awesome decision, and absolutely zero regrets. Another video that kind of caught me by surprise was my track day video. I posted it midweek as a filler. I didn't think it was going to be anything crazy, but a lot of you enjoyed it because the sound was incredible. I connected my wireless microphone to the bumper, so you got the most amazing exhaust note with the most amazing point of view footage of the track. And I had a lot of fun at the track. We did some sliding. The track was a bit hot, which meant it was slippery, so it meant there was a lot of fun footage. The Mishimoto charge cooler has been treating me very well. I really haven't really noticed the difference, but it looks cool. When I touch it after a long drive, it seems to be cool. So I think it does the job well, but I think the heat exchanger, when I finally get around to install it, I think that's gonna make the biggest difference. And if you follow my Instagram account, you will have noticed my post about a new exhaust. So I do have a new exhaust coming. It's going to be a very unique exhaust. Very few people have that combination. I'm very excited about it. It's going to be very sophisticated, and hopefully it gives me the sound that I'm looking for. Even though there's nothing wrong with the sound of just the mid-pipe with the ZCP muffler, but when I looked at the muffler, I was crawling around there the other day, I noticed how rusty and just ugly it is. So I think it, in the spirit of refreshing it, and that I will probably, well, I purchased something new. I'm not gonna go into detail what it is, but I think you will enjoy it. And seriously, let's talk about the event that I almost attended. I think that the organizers absolutely missed the mark with this one. Usually when you go to these big events, you have police officers who have been hired by the event organizers to control the crowds, control people getting in and out. This was an absolute madness, and as you saw from the video when I was leaving, people were going against traffic, and that in itself created additional bottlenecks. Yeah, on that sour note, I wanted to thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video somewhat exciting. Yeah, this was a car meet video that never ended up being a car meet video, but hopefully we got some decent footage and some footage of me rambling. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.